Today I'm going to do my unboxing and first impressions of the Vivo X Note. Now this is a phone that I've been waiting to get my hands on for over a year. Now about a little over a year ago, Flossie Carter had brought this device onto his channel. And I've been wanting to get my hands on it ever since. I was just waiting for that price to drop. Now the price did drop to where I was comfortable enough to get it. And I basically, gave this as a gift, a birthday gift to myself. Because my birthday was last Saturday. So this is like a birthday gift to myself. Now, this is the first time since the Mi 11 Ultra that I've been seriously excited about this device. And as you can see, just based on how the box looks, you're going to actually, see the way an unboxing is supposed to be done. Unlike Samsung, they just throw you some ordinary looking, crappy looking box with nothing in it. No, with this, you're going to get a real unboxing experience. The Vivo X Note. Now, I don't know if y'all can hear the excitement in my voice, but I'm excited. Now, I've already unboxed this, but I'm going to unbox this for you guys. I already took the plastic off and everything. Be using it for a little while, but I want y'all to see the way an unboxing is supposed to be done. This is the way Apple, Samsung, and Google are supposed to give to their customers, to give them an unboxing experience. Not that crap they be giving us and charging us thousands of dollars of money. And you as a consumer, you should demand more for your money because it's rough out there. And nobody's trying to spend a bunch of money and don't get nothing in the box. Like, it's ridiculous. It's utterly ridiculous. I'm not going to stand for it. I mean, I'm just speaking up for myself now. There's many thousands, maybe millions of people out there that just don't care. They'll give these companies whatever money they ask for. And, it doesn't matter what's in the box. They're going to buy they're going to buy their products anyway. I'm just not one of those people. I believe in getting what I paid for. I'm not paying no $1,000 or more, or even $800 or $900, money paying out to somebody and they don't even give me a charging brick in the box. That's not happening. I'm done with that. Now, if you see me with a Samsung device, trust me, and if it's a newer device, trust me, I paid hardly nothing for it because I refuse to even give them even remotely close to what they're asking for when I know I'm not getting nothing in the box. It's not happening. So before I open this, let me give you all the specs of this device, okay? All right. Now, this was released 2022, last year, around April. So it's a little over a year old. Now, the good news, this will work with all your carriers, all right? All 5G services, no issue. Now, with the display, check this out. A 7-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO 120 Hz AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1500 nits and a pixel density of 486. So the display is off the hook. You're getting Gorilla Glass Victus on the front, glass on the back, face unlock, ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. Yes, I did say an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. IP68 water and dust resistance, a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 80-watt wired charging. I'll say it again, 80-watt wired charging. Unlike Samsung that gives you this crappy 45-watt charging. Well, they don't even give you the charging brick. They just give the phone 45-watt charging capabilities. But they don't even give you the charger. But here, 80-watt wired charger. So basically, you can go from 0 to 100% in 32 minutes. That's the way it's supposed to be done for a flagship device. Next, you got 50-watt wireless charging, not 15-watt like Samsung's S23 Ultra. 15 watts. They haven't upgraded their wireless charging on their flagship devices in like 10 years. Or maybe a little less, but it's been a while. No upgrade at all. That's a joke to pay $1,200 and you're only getting 15-watt wireless charge. It's a joke. On this, 50-watt wireless charging. That's the way it's supposed to be done. Next, 10-watt reverse wireless charging, otherwise known as power share. Unlike Samsung's S23 Ultra 4.5, no, 10-watt reverse wireless charging. Now, they did put 9-watt on the Note 10 Plus and on the S20 Ultra 9-watt reverse wireless charging. Then after that, they drastically reduced it all the way down to 4.5 watts. Why? I have no clue. You're also getting an IR blaster, something that Samsung used to give you. The last device that gave you that was the Note 4. But you're getting an IR blaster on this as well. You're getting dual stereo speakers, 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, 256 or 512 gigs of internal storage. Unfortunately, there's no expandable storage. You're also getting Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, the Snapdragon Generation 1, Android 13, and this will get upgraded to Android 15. Keep that in mind. Now, also, you're getting Vivo's Origin OS that's on top of Android, and you're getting a 24-bit audio. And with the cameras, you're getting 4 cameras now. Check this out. Now, of course, you're using this phone is using the Zeiss optics. Now, I've never used Zeiss cameras before, so I'm looking forward to it. You got a 50 megapixel wide laser with laser autofocus with optical image stabilization. You're getting an 8 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with optical image stabilization and 5 times optical zoom. You're also getting a 12 megapixel telephoto with 2 times optical zoom and a 48 megapixel ultra wide. Video shoots at 8K at 30 frames per second, not 24 like Samsung, 30 frames per second on your 8K. Also 4K at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. And with the selfie camera, you're getting a 16 megapixel wide that shoots video in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Now, that's the only thing that's disappointing to me, is that I don't understand why these Chinese phones refuse to put 4K on their front-facing cameras. I don't know why. So 1080p at 30, not the biggest deal to me, but for a flagship phone, the front-facing camera should be minimum 4K at 30. But it's not, so it is what it is. All right, so let's get to the unboxing. So you heard all the specs. So this is an official flagship device. As you can see, really nice box, nice branding. Very, very nice. So you already know, just based on how the box looked, there's some stuff in the box. So you just slide this up. And this is a box you're not going to want to throw away. You're just not. Now you can see the device on the front. Take it out here. Beautiful. There's your 4 cameras back there. Now, the only thing I wish, if they didn't put a secondary display here, they should have centered the cameras. But I still like the look of it. I call this like my Darth Vader phone. You got your Vivo branding down there. On the side here. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you got an alert slider, like the iPhone and also the OnePlus devices. So you got your alert sliders. That's cool. On the side here, you got your power button, and you got your volume rockers up and down. At the bottom, you got a speaker here, USB Type-C. You do have dual SIM slots down here. And at the top, it's all clean, but you do have your IR blaster port up here, just small. So this is the Vivo X Note. I love this design. So let's put this over here at the moment. Now check this out. This feels like suede. So that's already nice right there. Very, very, very nice. Now I'm gonna have to turn this over to the side because I want you to see something. You see this little pull tab right here? Yeah. Like a little drawer inside. Well, I'll do it this way. So you pull this bad boy out. Now see, this is what I'm talking about. This is a presentation. This is what you want when you're going to be spending this much money for a device, especially a flagship device. Look at this. Check this out. Now see, this is what I'm talking about. You get a case. See? Now it's not a full case, you know, it's just more like a cover, but still a case nonetheless. That's less money, you know, that's just something, you know, before you order another case. You got your little paperwork in here. Let's open this up. Try not to tear this. Got your little paperwork, got your little X note little card here, which is cool. And of course, your SIM ejection tool should be in here somewhere. Maybe it's on, oh, here it is. SIM ejection tool right here. Got your X note card right here. It's cool. I like that. Gonna move this over here. Here is power cable. Okay. Check this out. Your 80-watt charger is in the box, y'all. In the box. Unlike Samsung, Google, and Apple, that only gives you a charging cable. What is the point of giving me a charging cable if I don't have nothing to charge it with? You might as well just keep the cable. And check this out. Now, this is something I haven't seen in a really long time. You actually get some headphones. Now, these are USB Type-C, but you're getting headphones. This is a complete unboxing experience. This is the way it should be, and this is what you should demand as a consumer. Excuse me, I dropped. Excuse me, y'all. Drop my headphones. This is what we should all demand as consumers. This is a true unboxing experience. This is an unboxing I'll never ever forget. And I'm not gonna get rid of this box because it's nice. It's really, really nice. I mean, the way they laid this out and the way they give you all the essentials, that's what's important, y'all. I really hope y'all understand where I'm coming from. I'm not just ranting just to be ranting. This is real. I mean, this is the way it's supposed to be. This is the way an unboxing is supposed to be. You slide this bad boy right back up in here like that. See, that's what I'm talking about. So, let me just say this real quick, because I'm going to end this video. Oh, I forgot. On the sides, I don't know if y'all can see, but they have some kind of ridges right here that helps you have a little more grip. Now, I did order a few cases because it's a little slippery for me on the back. Now, you do have a frosted back, so there's no fingerprints. But it's just a little too thin. I like a phone that got a little more girth, you know, a little more thickness to it. But it does give, those ridges gives you, gives you a little more grip when you're handling it. You know what I mean? So I do like that. Now, the display on this thing is beautiful. It really is. Now, I'm not going to get into the settings because I don't want this video to be too long. I just want it to be my unboxing and first impressions. But the display is beautiful. I love it. Now, I do have the Chinese ROM, as you can see. The global ROM is available, but you're going to spend a lot more money. The Chinese ROM don't bother me, honestly. So that's why I ended up getting this one. But no big deal. I got all my Google services on here. I got 5G service. I get all my, all of my notifications in real time. So I'm impressed with this, seriously. Especially that unboxing experience is beautiful. This is a big, giant phone. It's bigger than my Note 20 Ultra. It's taller. It's wider. The build quality on this is great. I love the design. And so far, I'm definitely impressed with this device. Now, I got to do some testing with the cameras, of course. So far, the battery is beast mode status. The speakers are great. Just to let you know, about a few things. But that's all I'm going to say for now until I do my full review, which will come up in probably a couple of weeks. I want to give myself ample time, to do my full review, to test it, cameras, everything. But so far, so good, y'all. Performance is great. Battery life has been great. Speakers are great. It's just, I just haven't tested camera yet. But that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Vivo X Note. I'll see you guys back here in a couple of weeks with this full review for this device. Hope you guys out there staying safe and staying well, and I'll check you guys out in the next one. Peace.